Hello everyone, I'm Stephanie. In this video, we will introduce to you the calibration workflow for EinScan Trak. Calibration is essential for ensuring scanning accuracy and stable performance. If it has been over 14 days since the last calibration, or if the device has been transported, bumped, moved, or show reduced accuracy or data quality, recalibration is recommended. This video will cover calibration notes, tracker calibration, and a full system calibration workflow. Before calibration, make sure you're using the matched calibration board and bar. Also check the environment. Keep the tracker's view clear with no extra markers or reflective objects. Each device comes with its own calibration tools. If multiple devices are present, do not mix calibration boards and bars from different units. To avoid an excessive tilt angle, we recommend extending two sections of the tripod for calibration. Place it securely and ensure the level indicates a slight forward tilt. Store the calibration board and bar properly. Avoid heavy stacking, scratches, damage, or stains, as surface issues may cause calibration failure. Calibration is recommended under the same temperature conditions as the scanning environment. Now, let's take a look at the software side. After launching the software, click the calibration button in the lower left corner of the home page to enter the calibration workflow. After enter the tracking calibration, follow the on-screen instructions to scan the QR code on the calibration bar with the tracker. On the tracker calibration page, the left view shows the front view and the right view shows the top view. Move the calibration bar and adjust its pose as instructed. First, keep the QR code side of the bar facing the tracker in a vertical pose. Slowly move it to the target position and keep the QR code side facing the tracker throughout. After completing the vertical orientation calibration, adjust the calibration bar to a horizontal orientation as prompted by the software. Continue moving the calibration bar according to the on-screen instructions to complete data acquisition at the corresponding positions. When prompted to switch to a side pose, rotate the calibration bar according to the illustration. Make sure its directions matches the target pose and move it to the indicated position. After all steps are completed, the software will calculate the calibration. A success prompt means the tracker calibration is complete. Next, we will perform the system calibration. System calibration requires the tracker and the scanner with the ball frame. If only scanner mode is required, scanner calibration can be performed without connecting the tracker. Do not adjust the position or orientation of the tracker during system calibration. Maintain the same setup used for the tracker calibration. After the tracker calibration is completed, click the System Calibration button to enter the System Calibration workflow. If the track mode is not needed, you can perform system calibration only by clicking the System Calibration button at the bottom. After entering system calibration, check whether the calibration board EinScan matches the EinScan shown in the software. Continue only after confirming the match. Place the calibration board on the marked position of the packaging box. At the same time, observe the position indicator on the software interface. When the calibration board appears green, the position is correct. If it appears red, you need to continue make fine adjustments to the tracker's position. Once the calibration board reaches the target position, click Next or press the Scan button on the scanner to continue. Do not move the tracker in this step, otherwise recalibration will be required. Next, hold the scanner above the calibration board. Follow the on-screen illustration to move the scanner to the target position. While moving, the software shows how closely the scanner's rail position matches the target object. Red means far, yellow means approaching, and green means correct. Once the target location appears green, the software will switch to the next one. Please continue moving the scanner as prompted to complete all locations in sequence. After all steps are completed, the software will calculate the calibration. A success prompt means the system calibration is complete. If calibration fails, first check whether the board EinScan matches, whether the device cameras are dirty, and whether there are extra markers in the environment. After checking, have another try. If it still fails, you can contact technical support. After system calibration is completed, click White Balance Calibration. Adjust the white balance brightness level according to the ambient light. It is recommended to perform this under the same lighting as scanning. Align the device with the calibration board according to the on-screen prompts to complete the white balance calibration. If the calibration board is unavailable, a nearby white roll may be used instead. That's all for the EinScan Trak calibration tutorial. Proper tracker and system calibration help maintain scanning accuracy and stable performance. Thanks for watching. Wish you smooth scanning and see you next time.